first thing you want to check if you don't have any heat is your oil burner switch or your gas burner switch. It's usually at the top of the basement stairs. Sometimes they're located outside the boiler room door. You want to make sure that's on. Once you've made sure the switch at the top of the stairs is on, and if there's a switch on the boiler, it's on, and if you're still not running, you can come down and check. The right side of the burner is the primary control. Sometimes there's a red light. In this case, there's a green flashing light. And there's usually a red button. Sometimes there's no light at all. There's almost always some type of a red button. What you want to do is press that button once and then wait and see if the burner comes on. There's a delay on this burner, so it should take a little bit of time and then it will come on. Your burner may come on right away when you press the button. We'll see if it fires. It's running right now, but it hasn't fired. Usually by now it would fire. And there's something wrong with this, causing it to not fire. You only want to press that button once. If it doesn't start after you press it once, you need to call somebody to come check it out. This is how it's supposed to work. You press the button once, there's a delay, you attempt to start, and the unit fires.